The stock market had an insane rally today, pushing up like crazy. I'm going to show you guys quickly how to identify a breakout and how to trade it and how I did it today. I will show you guys Tesla as an example today. First things first, you need to identify when a stock is showing signs of resistance. So you can see here at this level, roughly around 245. Tesla was experiencing resistance. It would come up to this level, sell off, come back up, sell off, come back up, and sell off. So today in the morning, there was two ways that I was going to trade this. One, like I traded yesterday, I'm going to buy puts at this level, short it down. Hopefully it comes back to previous support. If it does continue to push up, I'll exit out of my position, take my L. Or I'm going to wait until the stock pushes above this previous resistance, telling me that it's no longer respecting it. I will buy calls and ride it to a profit target. So here we go. Here's this red line at the previous resistance level where we sold off. Today, the stock market, at least Tesla, was pushing hard towards this level. All I was looking for was a candlestick to break above that level, and I was going to buy calls. And if for whatever reason it pulled back down below, I'll say, okay, I'm going to take my L. It could continue to push back lower. It just quickly wicked out of that. But what happened? I bought calls. The stock market rallied the rest of the day, making higher highs and higher lows. It's very simple. It's easy to confuse yourself when you guys are looking at all different types of things, moving averages, RSI, MACD. There's nothing wrong with that, but in the beginning, learn the fundamentals, the basics, support and resistance. It was clear the stock was just going to blow this resistance out of the water, and it shot up. Easy to make money today. And I'll show you guys the play that I called in the Discord. It was on AMD. Same strategy. It was a breakout. We bought calls. We got paid 26%. Cool. So I needed to identify on AMD here a previous level of resistance. So we did have previous resistance roughly around this 105 level. So what was I looking for? I was patient in the morning. I could have traded it to the way up here because it was down here, but I just wanted to trade the breakout. So I was waiting for confirmation. Are we going to break above this level? You can see we kind of had some interest right here. Sellers looked like they may have wanted to step in. It was just a matter of how much can they take over. So I didn't jump in because I'm looking at it on the 1 minute here. I waited for confirmation. The first candlestick broke above, and I wanted to enter very quickly. I didn't do it. The stock had a next candle was red. I wanted to see if it could make higher highs and higher lows above this level, showing me progress. So the stock did pull back a little bit at this level, pushed up once again. I almost wanted to enter in puts when I saw this top right here, but I just saw so much upside potential as the SPY was pushing up. A bunch of major cap stocks were pushing up. So boom, I see another higher high break above this level where we wicked above. And I entered calls. I'm like, okay, if we start making lower lows above this new low right here, I'm going to get out, take my L. But what happened? Once again, we pushed up the rest of the day. Like I said, we called it in the Discord live. You can see we called the play at 7:24 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We closed not even just over 10 minutes later, 12 minutes for 26%. So we may have missed out on a little bit of profits, but we kept our money safe. I can't say today was a bad day. We made a bunch of money. But yeah, that's my simple strategy. Identify, number one, a previous level of resistance. Like I said, here we go on AMD. And if it breaks above, it's telling you stock's not respecting that resistance anymore. It wants to push for more upside. And we very simply traded that strategy. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, or you're into trading and want a free Discord group to get involved with, feel free to join us. We won't be free forever, but for the time being, we're trying to connect a team, a group of individuals where we can all get paid together. The link will be in the description as well in the comment section. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, if you felt that it was beneficial in any way, feel free to subscribe, like the video. It's always appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I need to. Peace.